Hi everyone, I am Surender Kaur and today I will explain exercise 1.3 sum number 2 and 3 parts of sum number 3. We have to prove that these are irrational number, and in this type of sum we will use contradiction method. We have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number, and let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. We are assuming, and where p and q are co-prime and integers, and where q should not equal to 0, we assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. Why we have written p by q? Because rational number can be written in the p by q form, and p and q are co-prime, they have no common factor, and they are integers. Now this 3 come in the right hand side, and we can write 2 root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. We can write 3 as 3 by 1 in rational form, and now we will take LCM. 2 root 5, q is LCM, q divided by q, 1 will come and 1 multiply by numerator, p will come, q divided by 1, q will, and 3 multiply q, you will get minus 3q. Now p minus 3q by q, it is written in the form of integers. It means p minus 3q by q is a rational number. P minus 3q by q is still one step left. This 2 is left. First I do this. Root 5. This 2 is multiply here. It comes here. Then it will be divide. P minus 3q, and we can write 2q. This is also in the integer form. So we can write p minus 3q by 2q is a rational number. But this p minus 3q upon 2q is equal to square root 5, but square root 5 is a irrational number. We can't write it is a irrational. One side it is showing rational and one side it is showing irrational. Why it has been? Because we have whatever assume our consumption is wrong. So you can write because root 5 is a irrational number. Why? Why it happened? Because we have assumed wrong contradiction. Yeah, either you can write wrong assumption. Conclusion is that root 3 plus 2 root 5, if we add root 5 is an irrational number, so it means 3 plus 2 root 5 is also a irrational number. We have proved it. You have to prove irrational number, so you have to use contradiction method, or either you write ki, let us assume this type of sums in your exam 3 and 4 marks, and if you do like that, full marks you will get. Now I will explain you this third sum. have to prove 1 upon root 2. So I will change there. Now I have to prove 1 upon root 2 is a irrational number. I will use contradiction method. Let us assume that 1 upon root 2 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, so it can be written in the form of p by q in rational form. So I will write here 1 upon root 2 is p by q, and p and q are co-prime number. They have no common factors and they are integer also, and q should not be 0. Now this q you multiply by 1, so you will get q, and this root 2 multiply by p, so you will get root 2p. Now it is multiply here, and this p we can write in the left hand side. So you can write q by p is root 2. Q by p or either p by q form, it is a form of a rational number. Q by p is the form of rational number. It means root 2 is a rational number. But you know that root 2 is a irrational number. Why it is happened? Because our assumption is wrong. Our contradiction method is wrong. So you write because our assumption is wrong, so root 2 is a irrational number. If you have practiced 1 or 2 times, all sum you can do like that. And now next,